Hi folks, I filmed this video before Airfix announced their flash sale, which included a Vulcan. So please note, on this video, the prices for the models are Airfix's recommended retail price listed on their website. So please judge the video via that and not put in the comments, oh, I got it cheaper from Jadlam. But I thought I'd run with it anyway because there is a pretty cool exclusive kit in the bundle. Anyways, let's roll the video. Hi folks, it's Moz here and I've just received the Aircraft Mystery Bundle from Airfix. So I'm going to open it for you and discuss how much I saved. So if you've not watched this channel before, you know that I am a bit of a fan of mystery bundles because I love a mystery and I love a bundle, obviously. And when I get a little nod that they may have changed what they're doing in a particular bundle, I go and buy them and I let you know what's in them. There is a link in the description box below and in the comments pinned where you can buy this mystery bundle. Previously, I've had Airfix's Spitfire Mark V, I've had the 1/24 scale Hurricane, believe it or not, that came in a mystery bundle, but this time this came in two separate boxes, so it really did surprise me because normally they come in one big box, but there must have been a reason why they have two this time. So let's check out what I got in this month's mystery box. First off, we got another Spitfire, which is absolutely fine with me. I've built two of these now. I enjoy them. This isn't the starter set Spitfire. This is what they call the classic Spitfire. So this comes with 73 parts. It is a skill level 1. Okay, so it comes in one flying hour, but you do get two schemes to build this little kit with. They retail at $11.99. If you're not a subscriber already, can I ask a favour and please ask that you do subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe, and if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any likes, comments down below does really help the channel grow. Thank you. So next on the list we have this 1/48 scale de Havilland Tiger Moth. Now this isn't one for beginners obviously, but it's a very good kit. It's a skill level 2 on this one. It comes with two schemes, which is really good. I think it's the original box in this one. They have another box in the code A4 A04104 and another box in which has got an A on the end. I'm not too sure about that one, but yeah, so this is the box in this one, and retail price is $23.99 on their website. So next on the list is a little bit special because you can only really get this kit if you are an Airfix club member, and they've now put this kit in the Aircraft Mystery Bundle. It is of course this one here, which is the limited edition BAE Hawk XX154 first and last, and this one contains two model kits, 172 scale. Like I say, you would have got this one, I think it was 2 years ago when they announced it for the Airfix Club. You can buy it online now. It's $11.99, but only if you are an Airfix Club member. If you're not an Airfix Club member, you have to buy this kit in their mystery bundle. So this time I've had to go even bigger. I'll put the camera right up there because Airfix this was in the second box. Okay, there's just one kit in this box, and it is the 1/72 scale Avro Vulcan B2. That is in the mystery bundle as of now. As of this time, it's £72.49 on the Airfix website. So there's 4 kits in this mystery bundle pack. So now it's time to go off and do the maths and see how much I saved by buying this aircraft bundle from Airfix. So let's do back of a fag packet maths on this one, shall we? So the Vulcan turns up in their website at £72.49. The BAE Hawk, which is a club exclusive, so you have to be a member of the Airfix Club to buy it, is £11.99. The Tiger Moth is £23.99, and there's 1/72nd scale new tooled Spitfire, well, new tooled as in 2 or 3 years ago, is also £11.99. Do the maths together, we get £120.46 in the value of those 4 kits in the mystery bundle. So the mystery bundle itself costs £74.99. Take away that from the original figure means that there's a saving here of £45.47. And remember, if you are an Airfix Club member, you can get an extra 10% off this kit. So you're going to get another £7.50, I think it is, knocked off this. So it'll be like £67.49, but that's just splitting hairs here. So what are your thoughts on this mystery bundle? It's not the most I've saved on a mystery bundle, but it's up there. It does say on the website it's up to 50%. It doesn't say it will be 50%. But this works out about 40% off if you buy everything. There's no postage on it because you're over the threshold, and it does save you money by buying them all individually. And it is a bit of a surprise to get them, unless you're me, and unless you watch this video, then you know what you're going to get. It was last updated on the 4th of August, which is on the screen now. I'll show you. It does say that you get 4 different kits for your money. Let me know in the comments box below how you think they have done with this mystery bundle, how the choices that Airfix have made. Would you be happy to spend £75 on this and get these kits? Just let me know in the comments box below. And that's about it. There will be a link in the description box below, and also pinned comment on where you can buy this model kit bundle from. And that's everything from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who are on the screen now. If you'd like to help financially with this channel, just click join below and select which membership tier you wish to sign up to. If you'd like to see my last video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of all my other model videos, click here.